This is the TopDon OBDCAN Plus car scan tool. Shows you a couple of screenshots right here. You can pause if you'd like to see those in better detail. And this has all of the features that you'd expect in a scan tool of this kind. It can read diagnostic trouble codes and clear them, see if the MIL, or check engine light as we more commonly refer to it as, is on. View freeze frame data, which means that it logs data for a while and you can see the point right before a failure occurred. The readiness monitor status, which is important to pass emissions tests if you've recently reset the car computer. It'll also display live data stream, and it has an O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring test. It'll read pending codes and vehicle information, permanent codes, which really is the same as the ones up top there. DTC lookup, diagnostic trouble code lookup, which means it'll tell you what the problem is. Test data review, multi-language user interface, and it is internet upgradable. Here are the specs here. Taking it out of the box, they give you a really nice case with it. Very impressed. Also with a little wrist strap here. And once unzipped, you can open it up. And over here is a quick start guide, as well as the USB cable for upgrading the unit via the internet. Move the flap over, and here's the unit itself. We'll take the little plastic thing off here. And here's the unit itself. You have your up and down arrows, left and right, an OK button, a back button, and like a help or lookup button. On the side here is the USB port for upgrading. And that really is it. Let's go take it out to the car. Okay, here's the tool hooked up. First thing we'll do is go down to setup. So you just hit that, and it has a little beeper in it. And you can change the language, unit of measure, the record button function to record data, and the beeper, you can turn that on and off. If we go back up over here to OBD2, we'll hit OK. And there we are. It's read all the data out just that quick. Check engine light, or MIL, is off. There's no stored codes. There are 7 readiness monitors completed. There are 4 not supported. 52 items in the data stream. Spark ignition and CAN protocol type. I don't know if there's anything further. Yep. When you hit that, then you can go and read codes, but of course there are none. We'll hit back. You can go down to the readiness. Since diagnostic trouble codes were cleared, or this drive cycle. And then you can see here all of the systems here that are ready. In the data stream, it then says view all items or view graphic items. Under all items, it shows this here, and of course there's several pages worth of stuff here. If we go back, we'll go to graphic items. And we'll just go to, say, engine coolant temperature and hit OK. Now you'll notice on the left side is a red line that's starting to go across, so that's going to start graphing the temperature. Under the onboard monitoring, there's all sorts of other technical data in here. Catalyst monitor B1, for example, and it shows all kinds of stuff there. All kinds of other stuff that you can test for. Under About, it will show you the current load of this tool, version numbers and whatnot. The review function will allow you to review recorded data that you had done before, and under DTC lookup, you can enter in a code and see what it'll tell you. So we'll go to the most common one that people have these days, P0420. The interface is very simple. Up, down, left, right, OK. You know, like I showed before. And we'll hit OK. And it tells you what P0420 is. So So once again, this was the TopDon OBDCAN Plus Automotive Scan Tool. An excellent value for the money. Very simple, easy to use, pretty much self-explanatory user interface here. Great buy for the money. If you'd be interested in purchasing this item, I'll leave a link where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.